WLG Technology Company Limited is a research and development, production, and sales of battery copper connectors and lithium batteries integrated company. Founded in 2018 to provide high-quality, efficient, environmentally friendly battery connectors and lithium batteries. Our goal is to build an internationally competitive lithium battery and accessories manufacturing enterprise. With continuous independent research and development ability, innovation and designability, good cost control system, and high-quality products. Services. We have cooperated and developed with many well-known enterprises and become one of the strategic partners, making us a leader in the industry and winning wide praise from customers at home and abroad. Technical. Has a strong technical team of engineering and technical personnel. Always pay attention to the development and the application of the latest lithium batteries and accessories. Quality. In strict accordance with the quality management system operation, the manufacturing workshop is equipped with advanced production equipment and testing equipment. At the same time, has a professional quality management system, strict control of each step of the production process through continuous optimization and improvement, to ensure that to provide customers with first-class quality products. Our aim is to achieve our customers' goals with honor and dignity. We firmly believe that in the spirit of always pursuing technological development and excellent quality, we will create more value-added services based on our expertise and tailor better products to our customers.